If you are a modern PC user, whether that's laptop or desktop, you'll inevitably realize that ports are becoming more and more a thing of the past and something premium to have on your devices. Well, fear not, you have here the docking station from TobenONE. This is a UDS032. This is a 15-in-1 USB, plenty of USB-C ports, USB-A ports. You have an SD card reader, micro SD card reader as well. You have gigabit wired Ethernet for a one cable connection to expand all of the ports available on any laptop. This one here is the HP Omen 15 for 2026, and I'm going to show here, demonstrate how this docking station can add a whole lot of ports, including wired connectivity. This laptop, which is actually quite limited and does not have that many ports as you would like to see, because it's focusing, of course, on a compact form factor, which is a nice and balanced gameplay and do-it-all kind of device here. So let's get into this and we'll talk about what this TobenONE dock has to offer, how easy it is to set up, and of course the triple display 4K capable dock here from TobenONE. Oh, but first we'll do a quick unboxing here. So let's get this box opened up. So up front and center, we get a TobenONE kind of thank you for purchasing note, as well as a customer service email address. We get a nice little quick start guide for how to set up. And you have here, of course, all of the different ports and the different configurations for dual and triple monitor setup. In terms of accessories, we get a nice braided nylon USB Type-C to C cable. This will be the uplink cable to your laptop or the device that you're connecting this to. We also have a power cable. We have the dock itself, so a nice, beautiful silver design here. And of course, a 150 watt barrel pin power adapter here that's going to power this dock, as well as all of the peripherals that you'll connect to it. Okay, before we get this dock plugged in here, the UDS032C here, let's take a look at the ports configuration. So we have a button up front here, on off, with a power LED display. We have a full-size SD card reader and a micro SD card reader, and then a triplet of USB Type-C ports at the bottom here. These two to the left here also deliver power delivery at 30 watts, so you can charge your phone or your iPad as well with this. And all of these are USB Type-C at 10 gigabits per second. On the rear of this dock here, we have 4 USB-A ports at the top, 2 USB 3.0. These run at 5 gigabits per second, and 2 USB 2.0 for plugging in your mouse and your keyboard dongle. We then have a triplet of HDMI ports. All of these here are HDMI 1.4 with display stream compression. You can have up to 4K at 30 Hz with these displays, or you can alternatively plug in just one HDMI connection for a 2K 144 Hz. So if you have a nice gaming monitor, you certainly have that option as well. We have a barrel pin power adapter for the 150 watt power adapter that's included with this device. We have a host uplink port. This will also connect to your laptop or to your desktop. In the case of a laptop, this will also provide 100 watts of power here for charging over USB Type-C. Then we have a headphone microphone combo jack, 3.5 millimeter. You can use this to connect speakers or a nice gaming headset if that's what you're into. And finally, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet here rounds out the port offering for this 16 port dock here. And this is really nice because if you have a high-speed connection now, most or many places in North America now have higher than 1 gigabits per second, 1.5 to even 3 gigabits per second home internet connection now. So this means you'll be able to use your full home internet speeds from your ISP with your laptop using this dock. So now this here is a plug and play dock. That means you're not going to need any display link or display stream drivers or anything of that sort. Just using the USB Type-C cable here, it's quite simple. Plug one end into your laptop and plug the other end into this dock. So this one, the USB-C port is on the rear. Now there will be, in certain laptops, you're gonna have to make sure that the display port or the C port that you're connecting to has display port out, plus all of the other different connection types. So do check out the TobenONE dock website here, which actually going to give you some guide on which type of USB-C port you need to connect this into before purchasing, so you know that you're going to get full compatibility. We'll power it on. There's our beep indicating that it's now connected. And of course, let's test out our SD card reader speeds here. So the nice thing about this dock is the UDS032C. You plug in the SD card, it goes in facing up, which means you're going to be able to know which card you're actually plugging in here. So we'll copy this 1.3 gigabytes file, and we'll see what the copy speeds looks like. So we're copying at about 165, 170 megabytes per second. So the full UHS-2 speeds here, which means you're going to get a very fast card reader here. We will also grab a 2.5 gigabit network Ethernet connection here. Let's plug this into our dock, and it's a facing up connection, which is very handy. And if we check our Ethernet connection, we can see here that our Ethernet is currently connected, and we can see the link speed here is showing at 2500 megabits per second. So let's head over here to videos. We're going to copy a 15 gigabyte file here. So this should give us some good indication of how the speed levels out for the Ethernet connection using the 2.5 gigabits port here. So we can see, whoops, let's expand the details. You can see here we're getting the full, it's pushing right up to the edge of that 280 megabytes per second over the 2.5 gigabits connection here. So that means for your local network, and of course for your internet connection, if you have a 2 gigabytes or 2 gigabit or 2.5 gigabit or faster Ethernet connection, you're going to be able to get more and more of your bandwidth directly to your laptop or whichever device you've decided to connect this to. A great way to get wired speeds with low ping rates, low connectivity, low latency, and low lag. Okay, now let's talk about the charging speeds here we can get from this UDS032C dock from TobenONE. So let's say you've been using your laptop working away on battery. I have the barrel pin plug here for the laptop disconnected. And running this benchmark, you can see here that it's down to 81% of battery. So let's kill this benchmark here. And we'll see that 81% battery. So what we're going to do is I have a power meter connected to my USB-C host port on the dock itself, and I'm going to connect this USB-C cable to this voltmeter or this power meter. We'll turn on the dock, wait for the beep. We get a nice beep there, and it starts, pumping power to the actual laptop. Let's see how much it can pump. It's supposed to be able to deliver, 100 watts here of power to the laptop over the USB-C host port when it's connected upstream. So right now we can see here that it's delivering actually about 65 watts here, 64.27, 63, yeah, about 65 watts of power. I think that may depend on how much how depleted the battery is. So I guess if you're down to a full depleted battery, you're going to get up to 100 watts of power here, but that is potentially. So that means you can see here we now got a button here which says you can see here that says slow charger, use a high watt charger, because there's only up to 100 watts of power delivery here, whereas the laptop itself uses a 140 watt power brick. So that's why you're seeing that message here, but we can see that it is charging, and we're able to deliver 60 watts, 60 to 65 watts of power easily over the USB Type-C connection from the UDS032C. So you're definitely be able to do that. For laptops that are thin and light, you're still going to be able to plug those in and have a one cable connection with charging and your entire desk setup as well. Okay, so first things first here. So now I've moved this over to my desktop to show you the display setup. So here I've got two HDMI cables connected. I have a 4K 240 hertz monitor here and a 2K at 180 hertz here. And I've also got plugged in a USB mouse dongle and 2.5 gigabit wired Ethernet connection. So we'll just grab our laptop here. Let's bring this over. We'll set it there. And we're going to do one cable connection here. We'll power it on. Yep, there we go. So now we can see here that one monitor has swapped over. Let's connect the other one now. So we'll toggle this one as well. And voila, we've now got a 3-monitor setup here. And of course we can go in here and change the modes from mirroring to all different kinds of different display setups. So let's do that. Go to display settings, and we can see here that's detecting extend on all of them. Come on, there we go. Yeah, so once we've extended this monitor to all of them, we now can see that we've got all 3 monitors here. We've got this one is 1, 2, and 3. And if we look at the resolutions of each of these, 3 here is running at, 2 here is running at 2K, and the display rate is 60 hertz. All right, and if we go back here to this one, let's see if we can operate this display at 4K, which is the native panel resolution there. So we'll toggle that. And there we go. So now we're running this panel at 4K. We're running this one, the native panel on the laptop here at 1600p, and this one here at 1440p. Let's go and see if we can up this to 144 hertz, because it should be able to run a 2K display at 144 hertz. After a quick refresh and toggle, keep the changes here. So we can see here that display number 2 is now running at 144 hertz. We've got our 4K display here running at 60 hertz. Yep. And then the native panel of the laptop itself, of course, runs at its native resolution, which is 180 hertz. So there we have it. So you can see here that you can certainly do a multiple monitor setup with this dock quite easily. There was no drivers needed for installation. There was no setup. It's basically a plug and play, multi-display setup with this TobenONE dock as well. Okay, so verdict time. So for those of you who are looking to expand your port collection on a thin and light laptop or perhaps even a gaming laptop with limited port selection, you want to have all of the bells and whistles. You want to have a micro SD card and a full-size SD card. You want 10 gigabit USB ports. You want to have a wired 2.5 gigabit Ethernet connection and up to a triple display setup plus 100 watts of USB Type-C charging to your host laptop here. This UDS032C docking station is going to work for you. I was very impressed with the speeds of this laptop docking station, as well as the overall speeds here from the SD cards, and of course with the 2.5 gigabit Ethernet connection here. So if you're looking to expand and have lots of ports available, or you do a lot of work and you need to carry this around, this is going to be a great setup to turn your laptop into a single cable connection, drop-in, and workstation, on the go. All right, that said, if you're looking to pick this up, there's links in the description below. They help out the channel, but at no additional cost to you. And my final verdict, for those of you who are looking to get your ports, increased, then this is a must buy for you. This is going to be a buy. For those of you who are looking for something that is a little bit more compact, or perhaps a different shape or a different set of ports, or you don't really care about some of the ports that are here, you're looking for something specific, then it would of course be a skip. And for those of you who are waiting for sales, keep an eye on TobenONE's website. They have sales running often, and you can get certainly things at very nice discounted prices there. So for those of you guys, it would be a wait, but all in all, TobenONE's got another winner here. And for those of us who are going to be needing docking stations, which is pretty much all of us these days with living the laptop life, this is going to be a great addition to your workstation setup. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.